Hello everybody, I'm Rico and welcome to my channel, English with Rico. Today we're going to learn about parts of speech. What are the parts of speech and how do we use them correctly? Well, there are 8 parts of speech and they are verbs, adverbs, nouns, adjectives, pronouns, interjections, conjunctions, and prepositions. And these allow us to understand how a word is used in a sentence. Okay, so let's have a look at nouns. Now, a noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. So we have some examples here: whiteboard, Bangkok, table, dog, cookie, pencil, the United States of America. Pronouns are in place of a noun to avoid repetition. So we have I, you, we, they, he, she, it, me, us, them, him, her, this, and those. So here I have 2 sentences. Let's have a look at the sentence in black. It is incorrect. Mary is tired. Mary wants to sleep. Rico wants Mary to dance with Rico. Now that is wrong. There's too much repetition of the people there, of the names. So we need to replace that with some pronouns. Mary is tired. She wants to sleep. I want her to dance with me. So the pronouns are she, I, her, and me. Okay? Let's look at adjectives. Now, adjectives are describing words. It gives us more information about a person, or let's say a noun or a pronoun. So some examples would be big, happy, sad, fun, crazy, tall, short. Prime example sentence over here is: the little kid has a purple hat. Little implying that the kid is little, and purple implying that he's wearing a purple colored hat. So little and purple would be the adjectives here. Going on to verbs. Now, verbs are action words. They show what someone or something is doing. So we have go, speak, talk, eat, run, play, learn, fight. So have a look at the sentence here. I learn English at school. And the dog ran across the street. So the words learn and ran would be the verbs, the action words. And once you understand verbs, you can move on to adverbs. Now, an adverb describes a verb or adjective, and it tells us how, where, when, how much, or how often something happens. Okay? So, to best understand adverbs is to group them. And the different groups that we would have would be how. And under how we can have quickly, happily, sadly, beautifully. Where, there, here, inside or outside. When, now, after, tonight, or even later. And how much, almost, just, very, and last but not least, how often, which actually adverbs of frequency, but that's a video for another time. Never, sometimes, usually, always, or even rarely, seldomly. These are all adverbs of frequency. So let's have a look at these sentences. He plays the piano beautifully. I am usually busy. She spoke softly. So the adverbs would be beautifully, usually, and softly. Moving on to prepositions. Now, a preposition is like a linking word to another word within a sentence. So we have at, on, in, from, with, near, between, about, and under. So let's look at this sentence that I wrote here. I left my car keys on the table for you. So the two prepositions in the sentence are on and for. Conjunctions. Now, a conjunction is what you call a joining word, as they join sentences together, or they join words together in a sentence. He always plays football because he enjoys it. I was hot and exhausted. So the two conjunctions would be because and. Other conjunctions are or, but, so, yet, unless, since, and it. And last but not least, we have interjections. Now, interjections are words that show us feeling and emotions. Ouch! Wow! Great! Help! Oh! So, a perfect example would be this sentence over here. Wow! I passed my driving test.